ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 13, text number 3 and 4. तं बन्धुम् आगतं दृष्ट्वा धर्मपुत्र सहानुजः धृतराष्ट्रो युयुत्सुश्च सूत शारदवत प्रथा। गांधारी द्रौपदी ब्राह्मण। सुभद्रा चोत्तराकृपि। अन्यश्च जामयः पाण्डोर् अन्यश्च जामयः पाण्डोर्
अन्यश्च जामय पाण्डो
ज्ञातयः ससुता स्त्रियः
ज्ञातया सुसुता स्त्रिया
ज्ञातया ससुता स्त्रियः
ज्ञात सुतात्
ज्ञातया ससुता स्त्रियः तं
तं
हिम
हिम
बन्धुं
बन्धुं
relative
relative
आगतं
आगतं
having arrived there
having arrived there
दृष्ट्वा
दृष्टा
by seeing it
by seeing it
धर्मपुत्रः
धर्मपुत्रः
युधिष्ठिर
युधिष्ठिरः
सः अनुजः
स अनुजः
along with his younger brothers
along with his younger brother
धृतराष्ट्रः
धृतराष्ट्रः
धृतराष्ट्र
धृतराष्ट्रः
युयुत्सुः
युयुत्सुः
सात्यकी
सात्विकी
च
च
and
and
सूतः
सूतः
संजय
संजय
शारद्वतः
शारद्वतः
कृपाचार्य
कृपाचार्य
तथा
तथा
कुंती
कुंती
गांधारी
गंधारी
गांधारी
गंधारी
द्रौपदी
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 ब्राह्मण
ब्राह्मण
ओ ब्राह्मणस
ओ ब्राह्मण
सुभद्रा
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 च
च
and
and
उत्तरा
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 कृपी
कृति
कृपी
कृति
अन्या
अन्या
others
अदर
च
च
and
and
जामयः
जामया
wives of other family members
wives of other family members
पांडोः
Pandava
of the Pandavas
of the Pandavas
ज्ञातयः
Yatah
family members
family members
ससुता
Sasuta
along with their sons
along with their sons
स्त्रियः
Yaha
the ladies.
the lady.
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Srila Prabhupada.
When they saw Vidura return to the palace, all the inhabitants, Maharaj Yudhishthir, his younger brothers, Dhritarashtra, Satyaki, Sanjaya, Kripacharya, Kunti, Gandhari, Draupadi, Subhadra, Uttara, Krupi, many other wives of the Kauravas, and other ladies with children, all hurried to him in great delight. It so appeared that they had regained their consciousness after a long period. Please repeat. When they saw Vidura
When they saw Vidura
return to the palace,
return to the palace,
all the inhabitants,
all the inhabitants,
Maharaj Yudhishthir,
Maharaj Yudhishthir,
his younger brothers,
elder brothers,
Dhritarashtra,
Rashtra,
Satyaki,
Satyaki,
Sanjaya,
Sanjaya,
Kripacharya,
Kripacharya,
Kunti,
Kunti,
Gandhari,
Gandhari,
Draupadi,
Draupadi,
Subhadra,
Subhadra,
Uttara,
Uttara,
Krupi,
Prithvi,
many other wives of the Kauravas,
many other wives of the Kauravas,
and other ladies with children,
and other ladies with children,
all hurried to him
all hurried to him
in great delight.
in great delight.
It so appeared
It so appeared
that they had regained
that they had regained
their consciousness
their consciousness
after a long period.
after a long period.
Purport. Gandhari, the ideal chaste lady in the history of the world. She was the daughter of Maharaj Subala, the king of Gandhara, now Kandahar in Kabul. And in her maiden state, she worshipped Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is generally worshipped by Hindu maidens to get a good husband. Gandhari satisfied Lord Shiva, and by his benediction to obtain 100 sons, she was betrothed to Dhritarashtra despite his being blind forever. When Gandhari came to know that her would-be husband was a blind man, to follow her life companion, she decided to become voluntarily blind. So she wrapped up her eyes with many silk linens, and she was married to Dhritarashtra under the guidance of her elder brother Shakuni. She was the most beautiful girl of her time, and she was equally qualified by her womanly qualities, which endeared every member of the Kaurava court. But despite all her good qualities, she had the natural frailties of a woman, and she was envious of Kunti when the latter gave birth to a male child. Both the queens were pregnant, but Kunti first gave birth to a male child. Thus Gandhari became angry and gave a blow to her own abdomen. As a result, she gave birth to a lump of flesh only. But since she was a devotee of Vyasadeva, by the instruction of Vyasadeva, the lump was divided into 100 parts, and each part gradually developed to become a male child. Thus, her ambition to become the mother of 100 sons was fulfilled, and she began to nourish all the children according to her exalted position. When the intrigue of the battle of Kurukshetra was going on, she was not in favor of fighting with the Pandavas. Rather, she blamed Dhritarashtra, her husband, for such a fratricidal war. She desired that the state be divided into two parts for the sons of Pandu and her own. She was very affected when all her sons died in the battle of Kurukshetra, and she wanted to curse Bhimasena and Yudhishthira, but she was checked by Vyasadeva. Her mourning over the death of Duryodhana and Durshasan before Lord Krishna was very pitiful, and Lord Krishna pacified her by transcendental messages. She was equally aggrieved on the death of Karna, and she described to the Lord Krishna the lamentation of Karna's wife. She was pacified by Srila Vyasadeva when he showed her dead sons. Then, promoted to the heavenly kingdoms, she died along with her husband in the jungles of the Himalayas near the mouth of the Ganga. She burned in a forest fire. Maharaj Yudhishthir performed the death ceremony of his uncle and aunt. Gatha, daughter of Maharaj Shurasen and sister of Vasudev, Lord Krishna's father. Later she was adopted by Maharaj Kunti Bhoj, and hence she is known as Kunti. She is the incarnation of the success potency of the personality of Godhead. The heavenly denizens from the upper planets used to visit the palace of King Kunti Bhoj, and Kunti was engaged for their reception. She also served the great mystic sage Durvasa, and being satisfied by her faithful service, Durvasa Muni gave her a mantra by which it was possible for her to call for any devata she pleased. As a matter of inquisitiveness, she at once called for the sun god who desired couplement with her, but she declined.